Script preamble consists of variables and maps situated in the beginning of the given RVL sheet. Script preamble ends where the first action, loop, or break statement appears. The feature of script preamble is that it is executed always. Whenever you use play this sheet to execute the whole sheet, or play selection to execute single statement, or play from here to execute the rest of the script preamble will be also executed. So any variable defined in the script preamble may be referred, and the statement will stay valid and will play. For example, in this case, the statement refers to a variable, and if we just play it using play selection, its value will be defined, so it will work properly. The intention for the script preamble is to make your script more maintainable because you may easily call any piece of it and see how it works.